Did you know that toddlers learn the alphabet faster when learning is fun and interactive? Teaching your toddler the ABCs doesn't have to be a struggle. It can actually be easy and enjoyable. Let me show you how. Hi everyone! Today, I'm super excited to share with you some amazing tips and tricks I discovered that make teaching ABCs to toddlers simple and fun for both of us. Whether you're a parent, caregiver, or teacher, these methods really work. If you've tried teaching the ABCs before, you might have faced some challenges, like your toddler losing interest quickly or not remembering the letters after just a few tries. Sometimes just reciting the alphabet feels boring or overwhelming for little ones. So how can we make it stick and make it fun? Well, I tried several techniques that made a huge difference. Singing catchy ABC songs together. I love the classic one, but there are also fun variations with actions. Using colorful alphabet flashcards with pictures. Playing interactive games, like Find the Letter around the house. Using educational apps that turn learning into a game. These tools help engage different senses, hearing, seeing, and doing, which is key for toddler learning. But the game changer for us was creating a personalized ABC treasure hunt. Hiding letters around the room and encouraging my toddler to find and say each one aloud. It turned learning into an exciting adventure. After just a few sessions, I saw my toddler recognize letters much more confidently. It really showed me that making learning playful is the secret. So, to make teaching ABCs easier, try combining songs, visuals, interactive play, and a bit of creativity. These methods keep toddlers engaged and help them learn faster without stress. If you've tried any fun ABC teaching hacks, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and educational activities for kids. Thanks for watching and happy learning.